Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to copy a project in Asana from a different organization. This is incredibly useful when you need to replicate workflows across separate workspaces or move project templates between teams without losing your structure. First, head over to the Asana web and open the project you want to copy. Once you've got your project open, look at the top left of the project header where you'll see the project title. Click the drop-down arrow next to it. This will reveal several options for managing your project from that drop-down menu. Select Export or Sync. This is where Asana allows you to pull data out of your current workspace in a format that can be transferred elsewhere. You'll see a few export options appear, and for our purposes, click CSV. This exports all your project tasks into a CSV file that captures the essential details like task names, assignees, and due dates. Once the file is ready, save it to your computer in a location you'll remember. Now it's time to switch over to your destination. Go to a different Asana account or workspace where you want the copied project to live. Once you're there, click the plus button and select New Project. This initiates the creation of a fresh project in your new organization. Here's where it gets interesting. Instead of building from scratch, select Import. You'll be prompted to name your new project, so give it a title that makes sense for your destination workspace. Then select the CSV file you exported earlier from your computer. This file contains all the task data from your original project. After uploading, Asana will present you with two options: import with AI or import directly. The AI option can help automatically map your data, while importing directly gives you more manual control. Choose whichever suits your workflow best. Next, you'll need to map the CSV columns to Asana fields. This means matching up task names, assignees, due dates, and other details so everything lands in the right place. Asana will show you a preview of how your data will be imported. If you're not satisfied with the results, click Make Changes to adjust the mapping until it looks right. Once you're happy with how everything is organized, click Continue to Project to finish creating your copied project. Your tasks, structure, and details will now exist in the new organization, ready for your team to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.